Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Technical Notice Board, where you can get all the notification for all the technical events that will be useful for both faculty and students. And now in this session we are going to see the higher education opportunity for working professionals. So which was offered by BITS Pilani, and the course is M.Tech post graduation, and specialization is embedded systems, and the admissions are open, and last day to apply is at December 23rd, 2024. So this course is offered by BITS Pilani. Okay, and see here a work integrated learning program offered by the BITS Pilani, and this is specially designed for working professionals with the contact classes over weekends or after business hours, which you can attend from anywhere over an online technology enabled platform. BITS Pilani work integrated learning program are a UGC approved. So you will be completing your post graduation while doing your job. Okay. So here there is an admission inquiry. You can fill the details and you can inquire about the admissions procedure. And see here the M.Tech embedded system is a 4 semester work. So as I said that M.Tech, this is a M.Tech. So post graduation, which will be of 4 semesters, and integrated program designed for engineering working in the embedded systems industry, and who want to gain knowledge in state of art tools and theories. So you'll be having both the theoretical part subjects and the practical oriented subjects. And see, yes, so the admission open, and the last date is just seen. The last date is December 23, 2024, and the detailed program information you can download the brochure, and there is an option to submit the fee using easy EMI with 0% interest and zero down payment. So that's also one good opportunity, right? So brochure, you can download the brochure, and here see, you can see some of the major organizations where the participants work. So who are the participants? Means students, right? So profile of M.Tech embedded systems program participants. So the working employees of all these organizations were a part of this M.Tech embedded system program. So they were learning, or they were doing their post graduation in this particular course, right? And some testimonials are here, and program highlights. So you can see it's a 4 semester we have just seen, and the live lectures you can attend from anywhere over an online technology enabled platform, and these live lectures would be conducted by faculty mostly on weekdays or after business hours, enabling working professionals to pursue the program along with their job. So without disturbing your job, you can complete your post graduation. And the program offers a set of courses that allow learners to gain and apply various knowledge of various embedded systems, and design fault tolerant safety critical systems and real-time processing. And also they can able to use a remote labs that provide remote access to hardware and software tools that are used for designing and testing embedded systems on various platforms, multi-core STM32, Raspberry Pi, etc, etc. And just now we have seen, so there are 4 semesters, so 3 semesters you will be having different courses, and the 4 semesters covers the complete project work. And yeah, so the project work in the final semester enables the students to apply the concept and techniques learned during this program. So whatever you have learned in the 3 semesters, you have to apply, and you have to design a project. Okay, and see the curriculum, the program curriculum, you can see. So each semester you are supposed to learn four different subjects. So first semester subjects. So the subject list is given here. The first semester subjects, second semester, third semester. You will be having some electives. From these electives, you had a chance to select any one of the subjects here. And similarly, um, eligibility. Who is the eligibility? The minimum eligibility to apply, employed professionals holding a Bachelor of Engineering in EEE, ECE, ENI, or Computer Science or equivalent with at least 60% aggregate marks and minimum 1 year of experience after the completion of the degree in relevant domains. So The BE, that means undergraduation, that too particularly, but Bachelor of Engineering in a relevant specialization is important. So the program is designed for a highly driven and ambitious engineers working for embedded system services or product companies. Okay. Then a fee structures. So they have not disclosed the fee structures. You have to download the brochure. So if you click here, you'll be getting the download brochure, the details. You can fill the details so that you can get the complete fee structure and the application procedure also you'll be getting after clicking the brochure. Mode of examinations. This also you have to download the brochure. Then only you will be getting that. And see here, admissions open, and you can download the brochure by filling all these details, and you can get a clarification on fee structure and the application process and the mode of examination, how you have to attempt the exam, right? So these will be mainly concentrating on the working professionals, those who are working and those who want to gain the knowledge in embedded systems. And this course is offered by Pilani, a very, very, very good organization. So, guys, those who are doing jobs and want to upgrade your knowledge or upgrade your designations, so if you want to do the post graduation, so without delay, you can download the brochure, get a clarity, and apply. And the last date, once again, I'm repeating, the last date to apply is 23rd December 2024. Right? So hope this video will be useful. Thank you very much.